Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope all of you are fine. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be a part of beautiful and great journey of learning. Today we will discuss the questions about spreadsheet. The questions are available in a textbook known as Write Byte 1 Chapter Number 8 Exercise. It's video part 1 Recording Spreadsheet. Part B question number 1 is what is an electronic spreadsheet? Name a commonly used spreadsheet program. The answer is a spreadsheet made on computer is called an electronic spreadsheet. The most widely used spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. Question number 2 is define the following row, column, and cell. The answer is row. A row is a horizontal division of a worksheet. It is denoted by a number. Column. A column is a vertical division of a worksheet. It is denoted by a letter. Cell. The intersection of a row and a column is a cell. Question number 3 is what is the purpose of the formula bar? The answer is the formula bar is used to enter a formula in a cell. It is also used to change a formula or make changes to the data in a cell. That's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update about our new learning video. Some other questions regarding spreadsheet will be discussed in the next video. Until then, take care, enjoy learning, and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.